How's it going, guys? Alejandro back again, going over another truck that just recently came into our used truck department here at MJ Truck Nation. Today we're going over this 2020 ISUZU NPR-XD. As you come around and take a look at it, you're going to see this is a relatively clean truck. It was fleet maintained. It's actually in really good condition here. This truck has 165,000 miles on it, but if you're familiar with the motor, you know this thing does have a 4-cylinder turbo diesel. It's a 5.2 liter. It's got what's called a B10 rating, which is the highest rated motor in the industry, meaning 90% of these trucks are going to get it to at least 450,000 miles before you have any engine failure. So there's still plenty of life left in it. Truck does come equipped with a 16-foot box. It's refrigerated. It does have a THERMO King T680 unit on it. If you're familiar with THERMO King and you're familiar with this unit on this size box, that's more than enough to be able to handle all your refrigerated needs. As you come around to the back, you see it does have a pull-out ramp on the inside. The flooring is set up with what's called like a T-grooving, basically meaning there's grooves in between. So if you have products that's on ice and the ice melts, you don't have to worry about the water soaking up your product. It'll go through the grooves. As you come around, like I said, it's relatively clean. For the year and for being a fleet maintained truck, it's in really good condition. A truck like this definitely isn't going to last long. You definitely want to reach out to us sooner rather than later. Again, very clean truck. If you're looking for something you can add to your fleet without having to make the expense of a brand new purchase, this is definitely a better route for you. A truck like this is very aggressively priced. It's not going to last long. So if you're in the market, you definitely want to reach out to us sooner rather than later. There's a few different ways you can do that. You can always reach us on our website, mjtrucknation.com. You can give us a call here in the office at 561-840-9800. Again, that's 561-840-9800. Or, of course, you're always able to stop by. Our address here is 3775 Interstate Park Road. We're located in Riviera Beach, Florida, and we look forward to working with you guys. Have a great day.